Looking for a natural and less painful way to remove hair? Welcome to our complete guide on Brazilian bikini line sugaring. In this video, we'll cover preparation, application, and aftercare to ensure smooth and irritation-free results. 1. What is sugar? Sugaring is an ancient hair removal technique that uses a sticky paste made of sugar, water, and lemon juice to remove hair from the root. Unlike waxing, sugaring only adheres to hair and dead skin cells, making it ideal for sensitive areas like the bikini line. 2. Preparation. Before you begin, a little prep work will make your experience much smoother. 1. Hair length. Make sure the hair is at least 1/4 inch long, about the size of a grain of rice. If the hair is too short, the paste will not grip properly. If it is too long, cut it to avoid discomfort. 2. Exclusion. Exfoliate the day before to remove dead skin cells and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Avoid using harsh scrubs before sugaring. 3. Clean and dry skin. Make sure the skin is clean and completely dry. Use a mild, fragrance-free soap, and lightly dust the area with a small amount of cornstarch or baby powder. It helps absorb moisture and improves the grip of the paste. You will need sugar paste, pre-made or homemade, cornstarch or baby powder, a spatula or your fingers for application, cotton strips, optional, wet wipes or damp cloth for cleaning. 3. Application process. 1. Heat the paste. Heat the sugar paste gently until it becomes soft and pliable. It should have a honey-like consistency, thick but not runny. 2. Apply against hair growth. Take a small amount and apply against the direction of hair growth. Use firm pressure to work into hair. 3. Flick in the opposite direction. Using your fingers or a cotton swab, quickly flick the paste in the direction of hair growth. This ensures that the hair is removed from the root, minimizing breakage and pain. Repeat this process in small portions for best results. 4. Clean up. If you have any leftover paste, wipe it off with a damp cloth. The great thing about sugar is that it is water-soluble and easy to clean. Is the paste too sticky? Apply more powder. Does the paste not grip well? Let it cool down a bit. Too painful? Use small portions and take breaks. 4. Aftercare. Aftercare is key to maintaining smooth and healthy skin. Here's what to do after sugar. 1. Calm the skin. Apply a cold compress or splash cold water on the area to calm any redness or sensitivity. 2. Moisturize gently. Use a light, fragrance-free moisturizer such as aloe vera gel or coconut oil. Avoid anything with perfume or heavy chemicals. 3. Avoid heat and tight clothing. For the next 24-48 hours, avoid hot showers, sleeping, vigorous exercise, or wearing tight clothing to reduce irritation. 4. Exfoliate regularly. Wait 2 days, then start exfoliating the area every few days to prevent ingrown hairs. A gentle scrub or soft brush works best. Calm and cool. Use a gentle moisturizer. Avoid heat and friction. Exfoliate regularly. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's consider some common mistakes to avoid a flawless sugar experience. 1. Using the wrong length of hair. Make sure the hair is neither too short nor too long. 2. Overheating the paste. Keep the paste warm, not hot, to maintain the right consistency. 3. Release the powder. Always apply powder to the skin first. It absorbs moisture and helps the paste stick better. 4. Working in large portions. Stick to small areas to minimize discomfort, especially sensitive areas like the bikini line. With the right preparation and technique, Brazilian bikini line sugaring can be an easy and effective way to keep your skin smooth for weeks. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY beauty and skincare tips.